Hello students, this is Science, Unit 3, Chapter 1, from page 158 until 116, and that's Lesson 2. Let's start. We have two changes in matter. But for now, we will only study the first change. I will only teach you the first change. In the next lessons, I will teach you the second change. For now, we will only study changes that don't form new kinds of matter. These changes, they do not form new kinds of matter. They change, but the matters do not change into new forms. For example, like washing clothes. When you take the clothes to the laundry, you put the clothes in the washing machine and then you take them out. You wash the clothes. Does the cloth become something new? Does it become a paper? Or does it become a wood? Or does it become a rock? No, it's still clothes. It doesn't change. So washing clothes only makes the clothes wet. It only makes it wet and makes it clean. But it doesn't change the clothes. The clothes are still the same. So washing clothes don't form new kinds of matter. It's still clothes. Also, cutting paper. When you cut paper, does the paper change into something else? Does it change to wood or rock or ash or iron? No, it's still paper, but smaller paper, right? So cutting paper doesn't form new kinds of matter. You only cut the paper and the paper has become smaller, but no new matter forms. Okay, mixing matter also. Mixing matter doesn't change the matter into new kinds. It's still the same thing. You just mix matter together. Let's talk about mixture. Mixture is a mix that contains two or more different kinds of matter. What is mixture? Mixture is a mix that contains two or more different kinds of matter. No change of matter takes place. When mixture is formed, the shape doesn't change, the taste doesn't change. The shape and the taste doesn't change. Salad is a mixture. This salad here, do you see? This salad, it contains of eggs, tomatoes, lettuce, and more. Okay, it contains of two or more kinds of matter. It contains of two or more kinds of matter, as you can see. No change of matter takes place when mixture is formed. This salad is formed. We mixed them. But does it change? Does the tomato changes into something else? No, it's still the same tomato, right? And if you taste it, the taste doesn't change. The tomato doesn't change different. So in mixture, the tomatoes doesn't change the taste. Also, the eggs doesn't change in taste. Also, the shape doesn't change. This is the shape of an egg. The shape doesn't change. Okay, so mixture is a mix that contains two or more different kinds of matter. No change of matter takes place when mixture is formed. This salad is formed, no change of matter happens. Only you mix them, but they do not become new matter. The tomatoes are still tomatoes. Mixture can be separated by hand. I can separate the eggs by hand. I can take out the eggs and take out the tomatoes and take out the lettuce. I can take them all out. I can separate them by hand. Let's talk about something else. Let's talk about solution. Solution is a mixture that contains different kind of matter evenly. Evenly. This is the important word. This is the key word. Solution is a mixture that contains different kind of matter evenly. But mixture, it's not evenly. Do you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. We have 9 eggs actually. We have 9 eggs. But how many tomatoes do we have? 1 tomato, 2 tomato, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes, but 9 eggs. Is this even? No, this is not even. This is uneven. Okay, the numbers are different. But for solution, is a mixture that contains different kinds of matter evenly. For solution, it's evenly. But for mixture, it's not evenly. Okay, that's the difference. And solution can be separated by evaporation. For example, I have this coffee here and I put sugar inside it. I put sugar inside the coffee. This is a solution, okay? And the sugar goes into the coffee evenly. It goes into the coffee evenly. The sugar goes everywhere evenly. All right? And I cannot separate the sugar from the coffee using my hand. I cannot do this. But I can separate it by evaporation. If I evaporate it, the coffee will go to the air and the sugar will stay at the bottom. This way, I can separate the coffee and the sugar. All right, solution mostly contains of what? It contains of two things, a liquid and something else, like sugar. This is for your information, okay? It contains of two things. The first one is a liquid. As you can see, the tea or the coffee is a liquid, and something else like sugar, for example this one, you mix them together and it becomes a solution, and it contains different kinds of matter evenly. That's today's lesson. We will move on and continue with our changes in matter in the next lesson. Thanks for listening. This is Daban Muhammad, and that's our science class. Have a good time.